Hello, just a quick introduction. My name is Priscilla. I am part of the Animal Health Technology program. I am also in the honors program, will be one of my honor projects, is to explain medical math. This is something I wish somebody had taught me before coming in, so at least I have an idea of what I am getting myself into. Okay, so the first question, we'll start off with: the veterinary asks you to use glycopyrrolate to premedicate a patient in the hospital. Calculate how many mLs you will administer to a 77-pound dog at a dosage of 0.01 mg per kg. Your concentration rate will be 0.2 mg per ml. Okay, so how to start off in the first place? So I'm going to start off with my 77-pound dog. So with my 77-pound dog, and I'm going to explain two versions: the long version, which I'm going to do now, and then the short version that I do just using my calculator, kind of just going pretty fast with it. So I start off with my pounds, and let's see here. So what I want to do is convert this to kgs. Just by memory, you're going to have to know that 1 pound equals 2.2 kgs. That is just what it is. I don't question it. That's just what it is. Okay, so now what happens to the pounds is that they cancel out. Now you're left with kgs. So now what I have is 35 kgs. Okay, so now what I can do is finally use my mgs per kg, because I have kgs now. So then I will go ahead and drop down here. So I have 35 kgs. Sorry for the messy writing. I'm only using one hand. I'm using my phone actually. So now I have kgs go on the bottom, just like how I did with the pounds, so they can cancel out, because I want mgs. So 1 mgs. So that'll equal, with a calculator, 0.35 mgs, because these cancel out. Okay, now I have mgs. Now I have to do the concentration. So the concentration rate is 0.2 mgs per ml. So then now that I have mgs, I can go straight. Oh my gosh, my lines. So what I want is mLs. That is my final unit. 2. So what this would give me is 1.75 mLs. That is how much glycopyrrolate I will be using to pre-medicate my patient. Now, what I do, so you have to do this in order to this also cancels out. So you have to do this in order to understand what you are doing. So, and the concentration rate, I have to explain this, will always be on the bottle. Okay. The rate is what the doctor gives you. So just to kind of put this all together. So what you have is your pounds, your dog in pounds, and what the doctor gives you as far as concentration. The dosage. What is always what it is the concentration, unless the doctor tells you otherwise. But the concentration rate will be on the bottle. I hope that kind of helps.